Ever wish your phone could automatically optimize itself when you are commuting? Let's check out a routine that does exactly that with your Galaxy Buds Live. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen, then tap Mode and Routine. Now tap Discover. Under Useful on the Go section, select Commute with Galaxy Buds Live. Here, you will see the preloaded setting for this routine. In the If section, you will see two preloaded options. Time period, tap it, then set when the routine should run. For example, set it from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. Then tap Done. Bluetooth device, tap it, tap Device, choose your Galaxy Buds Live, and make sure it's set to Connected, then tap Done. Now look at the 10 section. This is what your phone will do during the commute. This routine will turn on active noise cancelling, set the equalizer to dynamic, change lock screen shortcut, and adjust brightness to 60%. In the When Routine End section, all of these settings will return to whatever they were before the routine started. At the bottom, you've got three handy icons: Edit to customize, Share, and Save to keep the routine ready to use. With this routine, your Buds Live and phone will always be optimized for your commute, making the ride more enjoyable without you lifting a finger. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.